$100 for every time I say yes? I don't know if that's the best idea.
You have to accept it. You'll finally be able to buy your new car.
I guess you're right. Let the yes day begin.
Hey, I have a question. Be honest. Does this look ugly on me?
Yes.
How could you say that? We're friends.
You did ask for me to be honest.
Giselle, can you tell me what the square root of pi is?
Apple pie?
Are you stupid?
Yes.
Giselle, I heard Lucas is gonna ask you out.
Lucas? But he's such a nerd.
Hey, Giselle.
Hey, Lucas.
Do you want to go out with me?
Yes.
There's no way you said yes.
Hey, can you help me with this?
This? No way. Yes. I can finally see my parents' bank account. Although I don't expect them to make much. We can barely afford the house we live in. What? My parents are millionaires? That means they can buy me my new phone. Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
What's up, sweetie?
Can you guys please buy me the new iPhone?
The new iPhone? Are you crazy?
But why?
There's no way we can afford that. Hey, Giselle, what's wrong?
Is it possible for the system to show you the wrong amount of what your parents make?
No, the system is always accurate. Why do you ask?
Well, because it says my parents are millionaires, and they can't even buy me a new phone. We also can barely afford the house we live in.
I think you need to talk with them about it.
Mom, Dad, you guys are millionaires. Why are we living in this crappy house?
I think we should tell her.
Mom, Dad, you guys are millionaires. Why are we living in this crappy house?
I think we should tell her.
Tell me what?
Sweetie, you're adopted.
I'm adopted? Are you serious?
Honey, we wanted to tell you.
I can't believe you guys were keeping this from me this long. I have to go. Hey Jessica, can I please come sleep over at your house? I'm having some family issues.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks. Thank you so much for letting me stay here. Your family has a really nice house. I don't think I've ever met your parents before.
They're usually gone for business trips. Jessica, come downstairs. They're back. Let's go say hi. Mom, Dad, this is my best friend Giselle.
Hi, Mr. and Miss Smith.
You look oddly familiar. No, surely it can't be. Mom, Dad, this is my best friend Giselle.
Hi, Mr. and Miss Smith.
You look oddly familiar. No, surely it can't be. Jessica, can I talk to you alone for a second? Is that okay, Giselle?
Yeah, okay.
Hey, I'm back.
Oh, you're done talking to your parents? What did they say?
They think you're their long-lost daughter. Crazy, right?
No. Actually, it's not crazy. My parents told me this morning that I'm adopted.
Really? We need to go tell my parents right away. Mom, Dad, Giselle has something to tell you.
My parents told me this morning that I was adopted. So you guys may be my biological parents.
We need to go take a test to be sure.
Yeah, let's go.
The DNA test results just came back. Giselle, you are. Happy 18th birthday, you can open it now.
Grandpa, what is this?
Sweetie, I don't feel so good.
Grandpa, are you okay?
Just go call an ambulance, please.
Hi, yes, 911. It's my grandpa.
We'll be there as fast as we can. Just sit tight. Excuse me, miss, are you Giselle?
Hi, yes, my grandpa, is he gonna be okay?
I'm so sorry, sweetie. We did everything we could. He's gone. I'm really sorry about your grandpa.
Thanks.
At least you got to open your gift with him.
My gift? Yeah.
So, what was it?
I don't really know. It's a note.
Well, if it was a note, I really think you should go read it.
What? It's just a phone number. Hey, Hey, Becky?
Did you end up opening the gift?
Yeah, I did.
What was it?
It's just a phone number.
A phone number?
Yeah, I don't get it. Why would my grandpa make me wait until I turn 18 to open up a phone number?
Are you gonna call it?
No, are you crazy? I don't know who's gonna pick up.
Giselle, I really think you should call it.
You know what? I think I'm gonna call it.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello?
Who is this?
This is Giselle.
Where did you get this number?
My grandpa gave it to me.
I need you to meet me at this address, and I need you to come alone.
Okay. The person gave me an address. Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey, are you fully charged?
Yep. I'm all charged up.
Don't forget to take your charger.
Oh, right. Thanks. I'm going to school. Bye.
Hey, Giselle,
Hey, Rachel.
can I borrow your charger real quick?
I don't know if that's a good idea. We're not supposed to borrow each other's chargers.
But I'm running low. Come on, please.
Okay, just this once. Here you go.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. I'm done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, Mom, I'm home.
You didn't borrow your charger to anyone, did you?
No, of course I didn't.
KK, hun, just making sure.
Okay, I'm a little low. I think I need a charge. Rachel? Rachel, there you are.
Is something wrong?
Thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, my charger's not charging on my iPad because it's...
Come on, just go easy on me for once. Jy kan net Afrikaans praat. Wag, hoekom praat ek nie meer Engels nie? Wat gaan aan?
Hey, sweetie, what's up?
Mama, ek dink ek het 'n klein bietjie van 'n probleem.
What's that weird language you're speaking?
Ek weet nie, dis Afrikaans.
It's your curse, honey. Once it wears off, you'll be able to speak English again.
Hoe lank gaan dit wees? Niemand gaan verstaan wat ek probeer sê nie.
You'll just have to wait it out, hun. Hey, Giselle,
Hallo Jessica, jou hare lyk so mooi vandag.
why are you speaking another language?
Dis my vloek.
Girl, I have no idea what you're saying.
Hierdie gaan een groot ramp wees.
Giselle, can you give me the answer to question number 8?
Ek het gekry 69.
Say that again, in English this time.
Ek kan nie Engels praat nie.
That's it. You're getting detention. So, ek het gehoor jy kan nog net Afrikaans praat.
I need to go on a date with my soulmate. I need to make sure I look perfect. Hey, do you have some makeup for me? Specifically foundation. I'm going on a date with my soulmate and I need to look flawless.
Yeah, the best by She Glam.
Okay, great. Let me try it. No way. This is literally covering everything. Oh my gosh, look at the difference.
I told you it was the best.
I'm gonna go finish getting ready. And I'm done. Wow, this is the best foundation I've ever used. My skin has never looked better.
Are you ready for that date?
Yep, I'm ready. He's here. Please just let me be happy. Angry. Of course it is.
Good morning, honey. Would you like some pancakes?
No, Mom, your pancakes are gross.
But I thought you loved my pancakes.
Yeah, well, I lied.
That is no way to talk to your mother. Hey, bestie.
Can I help you?
Why are you being so rude?
Look, I'm just really angry today, okay?
Yeah, anyway, does my outfit look cute?
No, you look terrible.
Giselle, can you give me the answer to number 7?
You're the teacher. Aren't you supposed to know the answer?
For that smart remark, 1 week detention.
Whatever.
Make that 2 weeks. Hey, I'm new here. Could you please show me around?
What do I look like to you? A tour guide?
I was just wondering.
Yeah, we'll go wander somewhere else.
Your emotion is anger, isn't it?
So?
You could use some of this.
Don't touch me.
So, what feature do you share with your soulmate?
We have the same eye color.
I'm sure you'll find him in no time.
Girl, BFFR.
What does that spell?
Be fucking for real.
Why are you being so negative about finding your soulmate?
Because there's a million other people with the same eye color as me. How am I gonna know when it's him?
I mean, it's like they say, when you see him, you'll know. Any luck on finding your soulmate yet?
No, I told you there's no way I'm finding him based off of an eye color.
Well, guess what? I found my soulmate.
Great. I'm so happy for you.
Don't give up yet. You're gonna find yours too.
Dude, can you watch where you're... You have really nice eyes.
Yeah, you too. Freeze tag.
Jason, why would you do that? Unfreeze me.
No.
Mom, please unfreeze me.
Oh my gosh, honey, unfreeze.
I'm gonna get you back.
No, I don't want either of you playing this game. Do you two understand?
Yes, we understand.
Hey, Giselle.
Hey, Olivia. Where's Jessica?
She lost in a game of freeze tag. She's gone.
Freeze.
Unfreeze. Marcus, what are you doing playing this game? Someone could get seriously hurt or worse.
Oh, relax, it's just some fun. Thank you for unfreezing me.
Come on, let's go.
Giselle, there you are.
Marcus, stay away from me.
Please, I really need your help. Come with me.
What are we doing here?
Freeze. Ha! Nobody will find you in time.
Mommy, when will I be able to go outside?
Once you turn 18, sweetie.
But I want to go outside now.
No, you can only go outside when you're 18. That's the rule.
Hey, Mom, can I go outside?
Are you 18 yet?
No.
Then no, you can't. What's with the long face, hun?
Mom, how come we're supposed to follow this stupid rule? I just want to go outside.
Stop with this outside nonsense. You know the rules.
Yeah, but why?
I said that's enough. Go to your room.
I just don't get it. What could be so dangerous about going outside? I guess I'm just gonna have to find out for myself.
I'm gonna go grab some stuff from the store. Do you need anything?
No, Mom, I'm good.
You're not planning on doing anything, are you?
No, I'm just gonna watch TV.
Okay, I'll see you when I get back.
Okay, she's gone.
What? Marco!
Mom? No. Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
You found me.
Mom, there you are. I almost didn't find you in time.
Thankfully you did.
What would happen if I didn't?
Something really bad, hun. You have to get to school. If you get picked to play, be sure to yell Marco as loud as you can to get found.
Yeah, I will.
Marco!
Polo!
Ha! I got you.
Jessica, that's not funny. The game is serious.
Oh, lighten up a bit. It was just a joke. No, this can't be happening.
Hey, what's wrong?
My little sister got picked and I didn't find her in time.
Do you know what happened to her?
They took her away. She's gone.
I'm so sorry.
Giselle, please report to the principal's office.
You wanted to see me, Mr. Bates?
Giselle, you've been picked to play.
Take a picture with my crush. This is gonna be so easy. Hey, Caleb.
Hey, Giselle.
Can you take a picture with me real quick? It's for my task.
Yeah, of course.
Ugh. Oh no.
Is something wrong?
My storage is full. How am I supposed to complete my task now?
Why don't you just download the TerraBox app?
I'm sorry, but how is an app gonna help me complete my task?
This app gives you over 1,000 gigabytes of storage. Just upload your pics and videos to the cloud.
Great, I can take the picture now. Smile.
Cheese.
Reason?
Starting today, you'll be able to choose how you die. You'll be getting 3 options and you have to accept one of them.
Okay, well, I'm not accepting this one. Drowning is too harsh.
Have you chosen how you die yet?
No, not yet. Have you?
Yeah, from a train crash.
You accepted that?
I just figured it could be way worse.
A plane crash? No way. I love traveling way too much. A car crash? I can't accept that one either. I don't want to fear for my life every single time I get into a car. Hey, do you know what happens when you decline every single option?
Nobody knows, we just know it's bad.
I guess that's a chance I'm gonna have to take.
Giselle, no.
Put up your hand.
Giselle, no, it's a trick.
Come with us.
What do I do?
I'll distract them. Run! Whoa, why are you running?
I'm trying to get away. The Simon Says game tricked me. And now they're looking for me.
I know a place you can hide. Follow me.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you for bringing her to us.
You set me up. How could you?
It was for a reward. I really needed the money.
You sold me out for money?
That's enough. You're coming with us. We're almost there.
I'm sorry, but where are you taking me?
It's best not to ask any questions. Just keep quiet and follow us. Okay, we're here.
Can you at least tell me where we are?
We brought you to meet Simon. He requested to see you.
Simon says stop putting lipstick on.
Simon Says? What? Hey, Mom.
What's up, hun?
Who's Simon and why is he telling me what to do?
Oh no, it started.
What do you mean? What started?
It's a game. You have to do whatever Simon says. If you don't, something terrible will happen. But be careful, it'll try to trick you.
Yeah, I understand.
Simon says go to school.
I guess I gotta go to school now. Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Giselle.
So what happens when you don't do what Simon says?
Simon says hold up 2 fingers.
We're safe. I'll see you later.
Hey, where's Jessica? She's not in class today.
The game tricked her. She's gone.
Put up your hand.
Giselle, no, it's a trick.
Come with us.
Mom, I'm headed to school.
Honey, wait. Are you sure you're ready to go back? You know, after everything?
It's been months since she's gone missing. I can't stay cooped up in my room forever. Things need to start going back to normal.
Yeah, you're right.
Besides, I'll have my friends.
Okay, sweetie. Have a good day. Oh my gosh, Giselle!
Katie, hi!
You're finally back.
Yeah, I decided it was time.
Is something wrong?
I just got a weird text.
What does it say?
It says, welcome back. Don't get too comfortable.
Who's it from?
I don't know, it says it's from A.
Probably just someone messing with you.
Yeah, let's get to class.
I'm Mr. Hughes and I'll be your new English teacher.
Giselle, why is Mr. Hughes staring at you?
No clue. Maybe he fools around with students a lot. A lot of teachers do. A.
What was that?
Nothing. I'll take anything, even 10 minutes.
Looks like loser Giselle didn't get any hearing time again.
Why is she looking at us?
Oh my gosh, she's waving. Should we wave back?
Absolutely not. Let's go. Class, welcome our new student. You can go sit next to the little blonde girl at the back.
I wouldn't sit there. She can't even hear you.
I think I'll sit there anyway. Thank you. Hey, so what's your name? Right, I forgot you can't hear.
Her name's Loser Giselle. Always has been, always will be.
Hey, I know you can't hear me right now, but I have something to give you. I really hope this works.
Wait, I can hear you.
So you see...
Okay, Mom, I'm going to the library to go study for finals.
Honey, wait. Don't you maybe want to go out with some friends tonight?
I don't really like going out. Besides, I need to study. I want to get good grades so I can get into a good college.
Yes, I know, hun. I just want you to have fun while you're young.
I am having fun. I gotta go.
Giselle, there you are.
Jessica, what are you doing at the library? It's a Friday. Don't you have some crazy party to be at?
Actually, I do, and you're coming with me.
I really can't. I really need to finish studying for finals.
Finals is 2 weeks away. No wonder your innocence is on 100%. Come on.
Okay. Only this once.
I can't believe I convinced you.
Me neither. I feel so out of place.
You'll be fine. Come on, let's go get drinks.
Oh, no. I don't drink.
It'll help you loosen up. Come on. Drink this.
Ugh, what is in this?
What, don't you like the drink? Hey, loser.
Sup, weirdo?
We have to do our handshake.
Come on, why do we even have a handshake? You always mess it up.
I mess it up. Are you sure you're not talking about yourself?
I mean, whatever makes you sleep at night.
Hey, I won't be able to sit with you at lunch, but I'll see you after school. Is that cool?
Yeah, no, that's cool.
KK, see you later.
So, are you gonna tell him?
What do you mean? Tell him what?
Are you gonna tell him that you're in love with him?
Are you crazy? He's my best friend. I'm not in love with him.
Come on, Giselle, I see the way you look at him. Besides, if you're not gonna tell him, you're gonna regret it one day. Is everything okay?
You know, I was thinking maybe you're right. Maybe I am in love with him.
Well, then you need to tell him.
Yeah, I'm going to. Right now. There you are. I have something to tell you.
Me too. I just scored a date with Jessica. Isn't that crazy?